Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we'll be reading A Dog on a Log, so let's get started. On a beach by a tree sat my family and me. Then shouted a hog, "There's a dog on a log!" A dog on a log? Well, how can that be? He must be saving that big frightening flea. Now, why would a dog be saving a flea? Especially in the water, on the branch of a tree. I can't believe what I saw next. Even that dog on a log was perplexed. The flea pulled on a rope and came up a boat. I'll bet you can't guess what happened next. A flea family ran from the dog's little toe. They got into the boat and began to row. Once on the shore they ran through the sand, over a cookie in my left hand. Right to the hog, that's where they went. They found a new home with an unpleasant scent. As for the dog, he's still riding that log. As for me, ouch, I think I have a flea. Thank you for listening and I hope you enjoyed.